Thinking about buying a car in 2025? You might want to pump the brakes. Some cars look good on the surface, but under the hood, they're ticking time bombs. From sky-high repair bills to plummeting resale values, these are 10 cars you should absolutely avoid this year. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Jeep Renegade, a subcompact SUV with rugged looks, but a fragile reputation. Despite its adventurous design, the Renegade has been plagued by reliability issues, especially in its 9-speed automatic transmission. Owners frequently report jerky shifting, sluggish acceleration, and electrical glitches. To make matters worse, the ride quality feels more like a go-kart on a gravel road than a smooth SUV. Add poor resale value and below-average fuel economy, and you've got a crossover that's more trouble than it's worth. Next up is the Fiat 500L. The L might stand for lemon. This mini MPV aimed to blend style and space, but instead delivered poor build quality, weak resale, and a long list of mechanical problems. Owners report frequent trips to the repair shop, odd interior squeaks, and frustrating infotainment issues. Despite its European flair, the 500L consistently scores among the lowest-rated vehicles in reliability surveys. Plus, Fiat has exited many markets, meaning parts and service support are becoming scarce. The BMW 7 Series might scream luxury, until you get the repair bill. While the newer models are engineering marvels, older used ones, especially from 2012 to 2017, are absolute money pits. You're looking at air suspension failures, complicated electronics, and turbocharger issues that cost thousands to fix. Even basic maintenance is expensive. These cars depreciate fast, luring buyers in with low prices, only to hit them with premium problems. Luxury comes at a price, and for older 7 Series models, that price is your sanity. Despite its popularity in overseas markets, the Ford EcoSport has struggled in North America. The ride is rough, the cabin feels outdated, and the cargo space is laughably small for a compact SUV. What really kills the deal is the underpowered engine and awkward rear opening door. Yes, a side-hinged tailgate in 2025. Add frequent reliability complaints, and it's no surprise Ford discontinued it in many regions. If you're eyeing one on the used market, keep looking. The Nissan Pathfinder is a familiar name, but models equipped with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, have a dark side. Between 2013 and 2018, drivers reported severe transmission failures, often before hitting 80,000 miles. Nissan issued multiple service bulletins and extended warranties, but for many, the damage was already done. Even newer models face criticism for ride quality and fuel economy. Unless you're getting a newer non-CVT version, the Pathfinder can be a costly detour. The Chrysler 200 was supposed to be Chrysler's comeback in the midsize sedan market, but instead it flopped. Poor rear seat space, a clunky 9-speed transmission, and confusing interior ergonomics made it a tough sell. But the real deal breaker? Terrible reliability ratings. Engine stalls, electrical issues, and jerky shifts led to constant owner complaints. Production ended in 2017, and parts support is fading. Buying one now is like investing in a sinking ship. If a car costs less than some motorcycles, you know there's a catch. The Mitsubishi Mirage might be one of the cheapest new cars you can buy, but it's also one of the worst. With a tiny 3-cylinder engine that struggles on highways, outdated tech, and bottom-tier safety ratings, the Mirage is cheap for a reason. Owners report constant rattles, poor air conditioning, and zero driving fun. It's budget transportation, but barely. Stylish? Yes. Reliable? Not even close. The Range Rover Evoque draws buyers in with its sleek design and luxury branding, but it's riddled with reliability nightmares. From turbo issues to oil leaks and infotainment system crashes, Evoque owners often find themselves at the mercy of expensive dealership visits. Combine that with above average depreciation, and this luxury crossover starts to look more like a liability than a lifestyle. The Dodge Journey has been called the zombie SUV, a model that refused to die, even though it probably should have. With outdated tech, weak engines, and build quality stuck in 2012, it's one of the most poorly rated midsize SUVs in recent memory. The base model didn't even offer basic safety features like blind spot monitoring or forward collision warning. It was discontinued in 2020, but thousands are still floating around used lots. Our advice? Leave it there. Topping our list is the Mini Cooper, specifically the older turbocharged models. They might look like fun, zippy cars, but under the hood, they're hiding a long list of engine and electrical nightmares. Owners frequently report timing chain failures, carbon buildup, and leaky head gaskets, all of which can cost thousands to fix. Pair that with cramped interiors and high insurance costs, and you've got a car that's cute but cursed. So there you have it, 10 cars you should absolutely avoid in 2025. Some are unreliable, others overpriced, and a few are just plain outdated. If you want to save money, stress, and sanity, cross these off your list. Agree with our picks? Got a horror story of your own? Drop it in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to the Car Gurus, where we keep it real, keep it rolling, and help you drive smarter every week.